Hello and welcome to a video tutorial showing you how to publish to a specific audience in Google Sites. My name is Tyler Osborne. So this is a brand new feature that Google has given us, and previously you could publish to your domain or you could publish open on the web. And I'll show you how to do that real quick right now. So if you have a Google site like I do already built, press the publish button and you have different options here. So you can do anyone on your domain, or if you go to manage, you can actually publish it open to the web. So I'm going to show you the new options that we have. And to get the new options that we have, instead of pressing the publish button, what you press is the collaborator button right here. And you have two different versions of who you can collaborate with. If you collaborate your draft, it's like giving someone edit access, and they're able to get to the edit version of the website that I'm showing in the background here. If you want them to be able to see the website itself, we go to publish. And right now it's anybody on my domain, 21 Cent Learning, that can see it, but I can change that. And I can do specific people, or I can do anyone on the web can find and view this version. So if I wanted to share a website only with a specific class, I could do that. If I wanted to share it only with my own staff members, I could do that too, by inviting that specific people. Now this works just like any other Google sharing. If you create a group of contacts inside Gmail, it will actually be able to share using that group of contacts instead of you having to type out 40 people. It's just easier if you create that group of contacts in Google, in Gmail. So I'm going to press cancel here because I don't actually want to publish this, but that's the new sharing options that we have. So again, to find that, you go to the plus symbol next to the person. If you change the draft version, that's going to give people edit access. If you change the publish version, it allows you to specify who exactly on the web is going to be able to see it. Really powerful stuff. That's all you need to know. If you like this video, please consider leaving me some feedback in my Google form on the website. Thanks for watching.